What's up, guys? So in this video we're going to talk about a psychological part of trading, which I think is very important. Now this really hits home because one of my biggest losses in my life was because of this mentality, okay? And I call it the caveman brain. So basically, ever since back then, since the caveman times, all we ever wanted to do was win. We wanted to be the best hunter, we wanted to be the best fisherman, okay? All we want to do is win. There's a part in the human brain which all it wants to do is win. That's where sore losers comes from, because naturally humans are sore losers. Now in trading, this is very dangerous. Yes, it's good to be competitive in life, right? It's good to go for your goals, it's good. But in trading, it's really dangerous, okay? And I want to explain to you my biggest loss, and this is why it happened, because of this mentality, the caveman brain, okay? So basically, the caveman brain, what is it? Since back then, all we want to do is win. It's a human thing to want to win, and it's not bad. But in trading, it's not going to benefit you. Look, the market is a bigger beast than you'll ever be, than I'll ever be. The market is bigger than me, it's bigger than you. There is going to be a time where the market is going to win, and you have to get rid of that winning mentality. You have to take that loss, take it in the chin, and fight another day, right? So, listen, you have to be humble. You have to realize that the market is bigger than you. You're not going to win every single trade. And basically, what there is in the world of trading, they call it revenge trading, right? And that's exactly what I did. My first trade, I opened a short trade on CCL. I took a loss. I didn't want to accept that loss. I opened another trade. I took a loss. I didn't want to accept that loss. I opened another trade, and this is just to break even. How many times has it happened to you that you've lost a trade and you just want to get even? You don't care how you do it. You just want to break even. You just want to get even with the market. Listen, take that loss and walk away. The beast has won you this time. Now, like I said, how many times has it happened where you've opened the trade, you've taken a loss, and you don't accept it, so it leads to multiple trades which lead to multiple losses because you're not thinking straight. All you want to do is win. I remember I came to a point where I just wanted to win. I don't care how I did it, okay? I just wanted to win. I could take 10 losses. I won once and I felt like the bomb, when in reality my account was just suffering and it was going downhill. Listen, you can lose properly 10 times, win properly 2 or 3 times, and your account will keep growing. You want to think like a caveman? Well, then be a caveman, okay? Risk management. If you see a lion coming to attack you, you protect yourself, right? So if you see a big move going against you, you protect yourself, okay? As a trader, you need to protect yourself. That is the biggest job. What you're doing is you're thinking like a caveman, but you're not protecting yourself like one. So you're thinking, I just want to win, I just want to win, I just want to win. You open trades, you lose. You open trades, you hold and hope, you lose. You open another trade, you hold and hope, you lose. Listen, all it's going to do is diminish your account, and it's not a good habit. Trust me, and protect yourself. You want to be a caveman, you want to think like a caveman, protect yourself like one, okay? It's good that you want to win, but you have to know how to lose. Like sometimes when I see beginner traders, okay, it seems to me like they want to win more than they want to make money. Listen, trust me, all you're going to do is blow accounts and suffer. You have to protect yourself. Good risk management, and think that the market is a bigger beast than you'll ever be. If you see that lion coming to you, you are unarmed and naked, you run. Okay, you take that loss and you run. Don't keep trying to attack that lion when all it's going to do is keep biting you, right? Does that make sense? Don't keep opening trades with an unfocused mind, thinking I just want to win, I just want to win. Your goal as a trader is to survive and to make a living from trading, right? So yeah, basically, if you want to be a successful trader, I think one, you have to have your risk management on point, which is obvious. Okay, I have a video on risk management that you can all watch. And another thing you need to do is you need to get rid of that caveman mind. You have to get rid of that competitive mind with the market. The market is bigger than you, it's bigger than me, and it's bigger than everyone. If it wants to hurt you, it's going to hurt you. So don't try to be bigger than it. Punch it and run. And if you're going to get punched, you better protect yourself, right? So yeah, just a quick video. I hope it can help you guys and open your eyes on how to see the market, right? Stop trying to win. Start trying to build your capital and make money. Make this a living. Like I said, you can lose 5 times, 10 times, you can win 2, 3 times, and your account will keep growing. It's all about how you lose. Keep that in mind. If you want me as your mentor and you want to join the Monopoly Trading School, then the link is in my description, okay? We've launched a new subscription service, so now you don't have to really buy the course. You can buy it if you want lifetime access, but if you want to try things out, there's a subscription service for like 60 euros a month, right? The value is insane, and you can cancel anytime you want. You just pay 60 euros the first time. I guarantee you're not going to leave, because the value in that group is insane. Not only from myself, but from the other mentors in there. If you want to join the school and be by our side, the link is in the description. I'll see you next time.